Hi guys, we're going to start with a review of algebra. This is my first video, so here goes. We're going to start with order of operations, which I know that you all know. Pemdas, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, then division, and that is from left to right, meaning that you could do a division before you do a multiplication if it comes first. So you could do division before multiplication if it comes first. And then obviously the A and the S are for addition and subtraction, which is also from left to right. So let's start with this problem right here. It says add the terms in order from left to right. So when we go left to right, 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 15 is negative 13. Plus 6 is negative 7. So we can just go left to right. Or we can group the positive terms and the negative terms. So this would be a 10 plus a 6 plus, and then you'd have a negative 8 and a negative 15. So you'd have 16 plus negative 23, which is negative 7. So you could do it either way. Also, let's look at the distributive property, which you should already know, and that just says to take 3 times each term in the parentheses. So you have 3 times 4x squared, which is 12x squared, and then 3 times 9 minus 27, and then that's it. And here, you distribute the subtraction, don't forget, so that's minus 8x minus 6y plus 2, distributing to every term. Then combine your like terms, negative 2x minus 6y plus 2. And you typically want things in alphabetical order like this. I won't take off if you don't, but typically you want alphabetical order. So hopefully that was a quick, easy, and painless review. Now, let's talk about absolute value. Also should be a review for you. Obviously, you remember the vertical bars means absolute value, and it is the distance from 0 on the number line. So meaning, so here's 0. The absolute value of 5 means the distance from here to here is 5. And then the absolute value of negative 5 means that this distance is 5. So that's all that is. So now let's look at this example here. You treat absolute value bars as parentheses. So you do what's inside first. So what do we have here? We have 14 minus 5 is 9, absolute value, minus you never, can you guys see this here, what I'm about to write? Never distribute over absolute value bars. So you just, right here, you just do negative 5 minus 19, which is negative 24. So then we have the absolute value of 9 is 9 minus 24, so we get negative 13. No, we don't. We get negative 15. Okay? Now, something else I want to make sure I review, because students always seem to get this wrong, is the difference between negative 2 to the 4th and a negative 2 in parentheses to the 4th. Make sure you understand this means negative, and then 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, so the negative stays, and 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. This one means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, right? 4 negatives makes a positive, So that's positive 16. And in the next video clip, we'll do some examples.